obby, but you're a bird. Where are you?
Over here.
Is that you?
No, that's why.
Hi. So basically, this game is just steep steps, but you're a bootleg coil. You are bootleg coil,
Okay.
except you don't jump any higher. Yeah. Uh,
34 USA.
what do you mean 44 USA? Is it a
Mm-hmm.
party in the USA? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a party in
USA
the
federal government.
USA.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's a party in the CIA. Look at those two buffoons.
Yeah, they're such ducks.
Is such duck. Oh, what's up here? I didn't really check for secrets. I was speedrunning this.
Is a secret?
Yeah, there's secrets. Is this a skip?
Oh wait, where is the secret?
I think hold on. We did a skip. Is it a skip
What?
or is it just? Oh no,
Wait,
this is not a.
where's
It's not
where's
a
the normal
secret. It's
path?
not a secret. That is the
Where's the
normal
normal
path.
path?
That is the normal path.
Then which path did you take?
The same path. I just forgot because it took me like a few minutes to get to 100. And
Okay.
watch out for the watch out for the twin tower. Oh,
Which one?
those are like the buildings next to the twin.
Ah, okay.
Nice.
Hey
Oh, what
man,
a buffoon! What a buffoon!
yeah, bro, what a buffoon. Such a buffoon. I'd never fall for a mistake like that.
What a silly Billy.
Yeah, his Billy was so silly. Just like his Billy.
Yeah.
Oh, la hee hee.
Oh, la hee hee. Oh, what it?
What happened?
It didn't let me jump. Oh, you silly Billy. Oh my God, I'm the silly Billy.
I see
Hold on, I'm
you.
coming. What the? I'm going crazy. Crazy. I was
Okay,
crazy
well,
once. They locked me in
enjoy
a
your
room.
crazy.
A
I'm
rubber
on
room.
your set.
A rubber room filled with rats. And rats make me crazy. Crazy. I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room. A rubber room filled with rats. And rats make me crazy.
Okay.
Huh? Where are you? Oh yeah.
Okay.
What's down there? Where are you?
I'm up here. I got a checkpoint.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that nest.
Me, I didn't.
That laugh was so devious. What?
What? You can't be serious, man. Oh, can I do it? Oh my gosh. Okay, there's literally nowhere you can go from here. I'm coming
Yes, there
back.
is. Oh, there
There is.
isn't. They
Okay, how
thought
do I
about
get
that
back?
skip.
Okay, where'd you go? Life is but a pineapple. I feel like we're only playing this game because of the noise that it makes when you jump.
Yeah. I'm playing this game because I invited you to play with me because I wanted to make a video.
You want to make a video on this game?
Yeah. I don't know why. People made a video on steep steps, so I'm gonna make a video on this. Hey guys, welcome to the new hit game. Uh,
Steep Steps 2!
Steep Steps 2, obby, but you're a bird. Where are you? You in the pipe? You in the pipe now. Okay. Yeah, this is like the farthest I got down before just giving up and going onto my alt.
Oh, you weren't at the top?
Yeah, I was at the top, and I tried to come down to you, but then I realized if I touched the checkpoint, it wouldn't count. So if I died, I'd have to drop all the way down, and that's time consuming.
One time-consuming event later.
One time consuming events. What the Great Mighty Pooh or something. And they got the spinny winny.
Look at me.
Why? I don't know. Remember why we went that way. Whenever I see like a house or a destroyed bridge, I always go to it because, yeah. Ooh, bench. No one ever believed me when I told them this story, and yet when they see it happen, they too. But they didn't touch the nest, so they go all the way back to the
Ah!
beginning.
You climbed the tree.
I always climb trees. Every
You're a
tree I
bird.
see, I clee.
Oh wait,
Look,
I found a skip.
you did.
JK. Kinda did him dirty.
What do you mean they did him dirty? He looks handsome.
His statue looks kinda bad. Swear to God, if you actually could you make something better?
I was do
The answer to my
I
question is
was
yes.
like the best player in this game, and now I just kind of suck. Um, where are you? There you are.
Wait, Mario?
And Luigi.
And a John Wick too.
1,000 groups of Goombas couldn't keep me from you. Princess at the end of the line.
That was
Princess heated bird bath.
I don't feel the heat.
I do.
I only hear the bubbles. This section is RLY long. Good luck.
Watch this.
Sure you can make that.
Oh.
Picnic!
Yo, do you want to score some points?
How do you get points? Long
Uh,
jump?
long jump. Yeah, and then you gotta jump in the middle, and it says how many points you get. I think it's 100 points. Yeah. Boom, 100 points. 100 points. Let's go. You're
100
so
points.
pro.
That guy only got 50 points though, because like elbows are to him.
Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a second spinning, spinning.
I
Yeah,
don't know. I don't know what was the other way, but I don't feel like going that way.
the other way doesn't exist. It's only one way. One-way ticket to King Duck's party.
At 100 meters.
At 100 meters, turn sideways.
Made it look. I just got out of the cave. I'm scared of that. I'm cavephobic.
Get back here.
Hey, get back here! I'm not gonna jump down. Oh, I didn't mean to die. Hey, you got me killed! And this
Nuh-uh.
section's really long.
I actually thought you were gonna die because I said don't die.
Oh, well, I am not a water skater. Oh my gosh, they have the beat blocks, like you said before. I remember earlier you were talking about beat blocks.
That was so stupid.
No!
There's... What?
I don't want
No!
to do that again.
Get up.
No. I'll
No?
do that right now.
Are you
Okay,
gonna do it or not? I'm at the 8th nest
I'm
right
gonna,
now.
I'm gonna get my 100 points.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
Don't cry. It's just a joke.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo!
Boo hoo.
Don't cry, it's just a joke. Oh crap, I didn't realize I had to do that. Oh, yeah, I'll save it! I'll save the run!
Saving the run. I hate Slack and I hate you slices.
Cut me a slice of that slap.
Cut me a slack of that. Where are you going?
Knock knock.
Cut me a slice of that. Where are you going?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Which?
Which who?
Whether or which you are there.
Ugh.
You made it! Good job!
I don't know why I take that path, but I do. Whoa, whoa, literally, if this was... Yeah.
Oh, when you touch the net, the checkpoint nesting.
I mean,
Oh,
oh my
I
god.
made it. Oh my gosh, guys!
Hey guys!
Hey, guys! Wait, I'm gonna do a skip. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
That's
Whoa!
not a skip. That's the actual way you're supposed to go.
Really? You're not meant to go on that platform
Oh
without
wait, no,
that
you
platform broke
are.
out for no
I
reason?
forgot. I thought that was the actual pathway because that's what I did last time.
Don't jump down. Jump down.
What?
I'm actually you like the large jump to like the B block.
Yeah.
Some kid got over to that and they just jumped off. They're like, I don't feel like doing this.
Whoa, that was scary. Whoa, that was scary. Whoa, that was scary. Whoa, that was scary. Whoa,
No!
that
Oh
was
my gosh!
scary. That was scary.
Oh, and the
What?
clutch.
I just did that.
Oh!
Whoa, that was
Oh!
scary. Whoa, that was scary. That was, okay.
Oh wait, I hear something. Is this the King Duck party? Oh, is that where you were humming this earlier?
Come over here.
Welcome. Give me a bat.
There's no match.
Come
Watch
on,
this, watch
man.
this, watch this. I'm gonna go over here.
I'm watching. No!
Face.
Alright, well anyways, guys. If your name is Kenny, and you're watching this video right now, I want you to go kill yourself.